Good evening, guys. Welcome to Progressor's Maths Academy. Bacha log, in this particular session, we are going to continue with our height and distances and discuss type 2 sums. Let us get started with the first sum. The length of the shadow of the vertical tower increases by 10. तो suppose for example बच्चा ये टावर है और ये इसका शेडो है, ठीक है. वे सेइंग द लेंथ ऑफ द शेडो इंक्रीजेस बाय 10. मतलब पहले इधर तक था, अभी इतना हो गया. इट इंक्रीजेस बाय 10 meters. When the altitude of sun changes from 45 to 30, मतलब पहले कितना था, 45 था, अब कितना हो गया, 30 हो गया. Find the height of the tower correct to two decimal places. ठीक है. Let us name it height of the tower BH and BC is A. The first when you take triangle ABC बेटा, ये A है, ये H है और ये 45 degrees है. So I'll use tan 45 is opposite H upon A. So H is A. Second, I'll use entire triangle ABD. Tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. A plus 10 is root 3H. Are you with me, beta? H के बदले A. Rationalize, beta. Substitute value of root 3. The height of tower is 13.66 meters. Guys, समझ में आया आपको बेटा? Very easy sum. ठीक है? I request you to pause this video and try to solve on your own, guys. Question number 2. An observer on the top of the cliff 200 meter observes the angle of depression of two ships to be 45 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the distance between the two ships if they are on the same side. Okay. So when the two ships are on the same side of the cliff. कितना distance है बेटा? ये 200 meters है. The angle of depression is 30 degrees and 45 degrees. We have to find the distance between the two ships. Okay? Got it बेटा? Perfect. तो this is Y. This is X. Therefore CD is X minus Y. Okay? समझा बेटा? तो first I'll take triangle ABC. 45 degrees. 200 meters and Y. So tan of 45 degrees is opposite, which is 200 upon adjacent Y. 1 equals to 200 upon Y. So Y is 200 meters. Okay, मेरा बच्चा. Second, I'll take triangle ABD. ये 30 degrees है, ये 200 meters है बेटा, और ये X है. So tan 30 degrees is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. Therefore, third, the distance between the two ships is 346.4 minus 200, 146.4 meters. Guys, understood? Now, just briefly, beta, same question, but when they ask you when the two ships are on the opposite side, entire diagram, everything, calculation remains same. Only thing is, so in this case, the distance between two ships, okay, will be x plus y. Instead of x minus y, here we'll do x plus y, beta. Nothing else. Everything remains same, beta. Everything remains same. Okay. So 346.4 plus 200 in this case. That makes 546.4 meters. Okay. So पहले 1030 से x ढूंढो. In this case, 1045 से y ढूंढो and then add. Same sum. Everything remains same. Understood मेरा बच्चा लोग? So whenever they ask you on the same side, तो ये diagram, same side of the cliff beta. And when they ask you on the opposite side, use this. Okay beta? Angle of depression है तो ये ऊपर लाइन बनाना मत भूलना, otherwise you will definitely lose marks. Hope so you're getting it मेरा बच्चा लोग, very easy. हाँ, but you have to be careful. ठीक है? Third one. Find the height of the tree when it is found that on walking away from it 20 meters on a horizontal line, the angle of elevation changes from 60 to 30. Okay. बेटा पहले angle of elevation कितना था? 60. Now I'm walking away 20 meters. The angle of elevation has become 30. Find the height of the tree. Okay मेरा बच्चा? चलो. पहले 1060 ले लो. Opposite upon adjacent. So 1060 is root 3. H is root 3a. Second, tan 30 degrees. Opposite h upon a plus 20. 1 by root 3 is equals to h के बदले root 3a सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो मेरा बच्चा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. root 3 into root 3 makes 3a. 20 is equals to 2a. a equals to 10. Therefore अपना h तो root 3a है बेटा. 1.732 into 10 है बेटा. 17.32 है. Easy बेटा. Fourth one. Find the height of the building when it is found that on walking away from it 40 meters in the horizontal line, the angle of elevation changes from 30 to 45. पहले 30 था, अभी मैं अंदर आया हूं तो 45 हो गया. ठीक है बेटा? See, always remember, छोटा angle will be coming outside, बड़ा angle will be inside. ठीक है? In this case, I am moving towards it. In that case, I was moving away from it. Doesn't matter. The diagram remains same. First, tan 45 degrees is h upon a. 1 is equals to h upon a. H is equals to a. Second, tan 30 degrees is equals to h upon a plus 40. 1 by root 3 is equals to h upon a plus 40. Root a plus 40 is equals to root 3h. Substitute कर लो बेटा. So h plus 40 is equals to root 3h. 40 is equals to root 3h minus h. 40 is equals to h common root 3 minus 1. So h is 40 divided by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. 1.732 plus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1 square. 54.64 meters. Please go through both the sums, more or less on the same line. सेम तरीके से कैलकुलेशन करना है बेटा. प्लीज बी केयरफुल. अच्छे से करो बेटा. ओके, चल. प्लीज पॉज दिस वीडियो, ट्राई टू सॉल्व sums on your own. Now the fifth one and the second one which we did almost same, but in the fifth one the angles given are not standard angles. So see the little bit of change of approach. Let us do it. Very important, mark it, very important. From the top of the lighthouse 100-meter high, the angle of depression of two ships are 48 and 36. The angle of depression is 36 and 48 meter. Lighthouse 100 meters high. Find the distance between the two ships when they are the same side, in this case same side, and when they are on the opposite side. Okay. Now listen बेटा, everyone. बेटा मैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट चीज बताने जा रहा हूँ, लाइफ टाइम याद रखना. कभी भी you get confused, so it will be very helpful to you. See, mathematically, I'm just telling you. 1048 लोग हैं तुम लोग, जनरली स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे ही जाते हैं. 100 upon y. Very important. Please pay attention, guys. 10 of 48 is 1.1106. 1.1106 is equals to 100 upon y. Okay, beta. So y is 100 upon 1.1106. But don't you think this calculation is so difficult? Okay, and high chances of making mistake. So this approach is totally wrong. Okay, जानबूझ के मैंने ऐसा किया आपको to make you understand the approach is wrong. So in such cases हम लोग थोड़ा सा tweak करते हैं बेटा. Nothing great. बेटा ये 90 डिग्रीज है, ये 48 है, तो this angle becomes 42 degrees. Will you agree बेटा? बराबर मेरा बच्चा. तो अभी tan 42 यूज करते हैं. देखो tan 42 यूज करते तो कैसे चेंज हो जाता है. The same sum, how the calculation becomes so easy. Tan 40 is opposite upon adjacent. Now tan 42 का value is 0.9004. Now when a multiplication by 100 is much easier than what we did prior. So please don't forget this particular part. Okay, थोड़ा सा changes but your calculation become way easier. So this is my first step. Second step, ये कौन सा एंगल है 36. तो बेटा ये एंगल becomes 180 minus 126, 54 degrees. I'm going to use tan of 54 degrees. बराबर बेटा, tan of 54 degrees is 1.377. So x is 100 into 1.377, 137.7. Okay मेरा बच्चा. Now don't forget this calculation. Same side and opposite side. Okay, same side D would be x minus y. 137.7 minus 90.04. Okay, 137.7 minus 90.04 gives you 47.66. So round off to nearest meter बोला है, so 48 meters. And when they lies on the opposite side, we know we need to add. So 137.7 plus 90.04. 2 to 7.74, so approximately 2 to 8 meters. So when they lie on the same side, subtract. When they lie on the opposite side, add. But the calculation समझा कैसे करते हैं बेटा? Very 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 important. Don't forget this. जानबूझ के मैंने ये बनाया आपके लिए to make you understand, to make you realize. Okay, many students in exam they waste their time like anything just because they didn't realize simple way also can be done. ठीक है? So be careful मेरा बच्चा लोग. Now I'll be doing question number 7 and 8. Okay, the last two questions from this particular type, the others are repetitive, so you can manage on their own. I'll draw the diagrams for you all for the rest of the sum. But calculation wise, we'll be doing 7th and 8th. Very important type. It has been regularly asked in exams. So please be careful. Don't miss out this type. Understand it. A person standing on the bank of the river. ये river है बेटा. ये bank of the river है. A person standing on the bank of the river observes the angle of elevation at the top of the tree. So this is my tree. The angle of elevation to the top of the tree is to be 60 degrees. When he moves 40 meters away from the bank, the new angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tree correct to nearest rupees, correct to two decimal places and the width of the river. So मुझे x भी ढूंढना है और मुझे h भी ढूंढना है. The first tan 60 degrees is opposite upon adjacent. Tan 30 degrees is opposite upon adjacent. H is nothing but root 3x beta. Age is 34.64. Guys, are you comfortable बेटा? Everyone? बच्चा लोग आर यू कंफर्टेबल? समझ में आया सम? पक्का वाला बेटा? इजी सम था. So the width of the river is 20 meters and the height is 34.64. Pause this video, understand it. Okay. Now we shall move to the next sum. From the top of the hill, the angle of depression of two consecutive kilometers stone. The angle of depression of two consecutive kilometers stone is 30 and 45. 45 degrees, 30 degrees. So ये भी 30 degrees and ये भी 45 degrees. Is stone 1, is stone 2. 1 kilometer मतलब 1000 meters. Okay. Find the distance of two stones from the foot of the hill. Stone 1 is the distance of x. Stone 2 is the distance of x plus 1000. Okay, so let's get started. So tan 45 degrees is beta h upon x. So h is x. Second, tan of 30 degrees is h upon x plus 1000. So 1000 is equals to h root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it. So you get h is 1366 meter या 1.366 kilometer. So stone 1 is at a distance of x, which is 1.366 kilometers, and stone 2 is at a distance of x plus 1000, x plus 1 kilometer, which is 2.366 kilometers. बेटा h और x दोनों सेम है. From 1, can I say h and x is same, beta? So don't forget. So stone 1 is a distance of 1.366 kilometers and stone 2 is a distance of 2.366 kilometers. Okay, beta? Guys, are you comfortable with this particular type? Okay. Beta, ninth one is same as seventh one. Ninth or seventh dead to same है. No changes. Just few numbers here and there. हम लोग 10th, 11th और 12th के ढाई डायग्राम्स बना रहा हूँ आपके रेफरेंस के लिए. A man observes the angle of elevation of the top of the building to be 30. He walks towards it in a horizontal line. On covering 60 meters, the elevation changes to 60 degrees. Okay. मतलब पहले 30 था, फिर 60 डिग्रीज हो गया. कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? 60 meters. Find the height correct to nearest rupees. ओके मेरा बच्चा लोग, तुम लोग के रेफरेंस के लिए मैंने एक डायग्राम बना के दे दिया. 11th one. As observed from the top of the 80-meter tall lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the same side to be 30 and 40 degrees. On the same side to be 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Okay, beta? Find the distance between the two ships. ठीक है? Find the distance between the two ships, beta. The angle of depression of two ships on the same side बोला था बेटा. On the same side बोला था. So this is your same side, beta. Understood मेरे बच्चा लोग? So this is 30 degrees. This is 40 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Okay? Understood, guys? 80-meter top lighthouse. Give your answer correct to the nearest rupees. Give your answer correct to the nearest rupees, बच्चा. So nearest meters. Give your answer to the correct nearest meters. पहले ये y ले लो, ये x ले लो. This will be x minus y. Okay मेरा बच्चा? Give your answer correct to nearest meter. बेटा प्लीज रीड इट आउट. सेम साइड था, इससे ये डायग्राम बना. एंड लास्ट 12th का डायग्राम बेटा. An aeroplane at an altitude of 2 meters observes the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite bank of the river. बेटा रीड केयरफुली. हाँ बेटा कितना है? 45 डिग्रीज एंड 60 डिग्रीज. चलो बेटा, होप सो you can do it on your own. Please beta attempt to at least try to solve on your own, then only you will gain confidence. ये सब sums give a try on your own. I'm pretty much sure you will able to solve it and your confidence will increase. First diagram को समझो, question को समझो, diagram बनाओ and then apply it. Okay मेरा बच्चा? ठीक है. And please don't miss out reading the keywords like correct to nearest meters, correct your answer to the nearest whole number. So these are small things but very important, are things which cannot be skipped. Okay मेरा बच्चा लोग, hope so you have understood it. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day. Thank you.